Ang pera ay umiiwas lang po sa atin yan. Kapag yan ay masyado yung ginodiyos, masyado yung bine-baby, kulang na lang i-iskaparate ninyo o i-frame ninyo ang bawat paper bills po ninyo. Money is just a tool. It is an instrument to get what you wanted. Tandaan nyo po lagi yan. And unless you give away money, it can never actually run around. Kaya po, ang money actually is just a circulated energy po. Kung tutuusin nyo po, ang kapirasong papel na yan, kaya magtataka kayo, ma'am, sa papel na to, paano to naging pera? Because that paper bill is symbolic of what your government actually assures you. On the same note, ganun din po ang cosmic. They give us something as a guarantee that, okay, bibigyan kita ng pera, pero gamitin mo yan ng tama. Kapag yan, hindi mo yan nagamit ng tama, then marami pa dyan na pwedeng gumamit. Ganyan nyo po yan isipin, okay?